day, everyone. I'm Ma'am Christy Jimenez from SDO Caloocan, Deparo Elementary School, Science 6 teacher. It's been a while since I posted my last video lesson, and finally, I'm back after 2 months. I'm going to guide you in answering your Module 5 for 3rd quarter with the title, Energy Transformation and Conservation. Let me just clarify to you that this video lesson is based from the division module written by selected teachers from SDO Caloocan. All the concepts that I will be discussing and some pictures that I will be using are gotten from the printed module. Let's begin with our lesson. But before that, let's have first a recap of our past lesson. Let's try to answer the following.
Directions. Study the given description and sources of energy. Then arrange the scrambled letters to form the different forms of energy. Number 1. It came from the food we eat and battery. The answer is chemical energy. 2. Glowing heavenly bodies including the sun. The correct answer is radiant energy. 3. It came from vibrating objects. The answer is sound energy. 4. Flow of moving electrons. The correct answer is electrical energy. And 5. It came from moving object. The answer is mechanical energy.
During the previous modules 3 and 4, we've already discussed about energy. So when we say energy, energy is the ability to do work. So it means without energy, you cannot do a lot of work. We also discuss the different forms of energy. We also discuss about chemical energy, mechanical energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and so on. We also discuss, or we also introduce that energy can be converted from one form into another form, and that is called energy transformation. Now, let's answer the first activity, or activity 1, wherein we're going to find out how energy transforms from one form into another form using our different appliances at home. Let's try to answer activity 1.
Direction. Make a diagram showing energy transformation in using the given appliances. Example, using a radio. So from electrical energy to sound energy. Now, how does energy transform when you turn on an electric flat iron? Number 2, a light bulb. 3, a ceiling fan. 4, a gas stove. And 5, bicycle.
Are you done answering activity 1? Have you found out how energy can be converted from one form into another form using our different appliances at home? So for that, we can conclude that energy is very important. So since energy is very important, it is also a responsibility to make use of energy wisely, right? Now, in activity 2, we will find out the different ways to conserve energy, and we will realize as well if we are using energy wisely. Let's try to answer activity 2.
Directions. For each item, put a happy face if it's a good practice for conserving energy. If not, put a sad face, then think of a suggestion on how to conserve energy. 1. Open the refrigerator first before you decide what to get from it. 2. Take the stairs instead of the elevator in going up the 2nd floor if you are able. 3. Dry wet clothes under the sun instead of using an electric fan on a sunny day. 4. Leave the television and radio on while doing your household chores. 5. Turn on and off the light so that it would look like a disco house. 6. Hand wash the 2 pieces of clothes instead of using a washing machine. 7. Charge your cell phone while using it so as not to cut your trivial chatting with friends. 8. Remove the batteries from the flashlight if it's not in use. 9. limit your number of hours in watching television. And 10, use medium flame in your stove in boiling a cup of water.
Are you then answering activity 2? I hope by doing activity 2, we realize how to use energy wisely. Actually, there's a law of conservation of energy, and it's stated there that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form into another, and it's said to be conserved over time. To learn more about energy conservation, let's answer activity 3.
Directions. Draw a thumbs up if the picture shows proper way of conserving energy and thumbs down if it does not. First picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, and last picture.
Now, to find out if you understand the lesson well, let's try to answer Check Your Understanding.
Direction. Fill each blank with a word that will make the sentence correct. Choose from the words in the box. 1. Energy is the ability to do blank. 2. The change of energy from one blank to another is known as energy transformation. 3. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be blank. 4. Always turn blank the electrical appliances when not in use in order to save energy. And 5. If we save energy today, we help blank Mother Earth.
It's time to wrap up our discussion or the content of Module 5. So, we've discussed about energy transformation. When we say energy transformation, it is the change or conversion of energy from one form into another form. Like for example, chemical energy into mechanical energy, into sound energy, into heat energy, something like that. Okay? We also discussed about the law of conservation of energy and the different ways to conserve energy. And we must follow them in order for us to save for the next generations to come. Saving energy is like saving Mother Earth. Now, to find out if you understand the lesson well, please try to answer the post-test or these questions.
Directions. Read the statements carefully. Choose the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. 1. Energy cannot be created nor blank. It can only be transformed. 2. Which of the following activities is a waste of energy? 3. What energy transformations occur when a television set is in use? 4. Which of the following activities illustrates sound energy being transformed into heat energy? And 5. A change in energy from one form to another is called blank.
Are you done answering the post-test? I hope you have completed the 5 items. That's the end of our discussion. I hope you have learned something from me. Again, I'm Ma'am Christy Jimenez from SDO Caloocan, the Para Elementary School, your science teacher. And let me leave you with my favorite lines that I haven't uttered for 2 months now. That change is inevitable. We can't control it. But with God's guidance and hard work, a nice future awaits. See you again next time. Bye!